like Igbos because the Ogene comes from Igbo. The Ogene my people from Rubawa community. These are the Ogeles. My Ogele, the Ogele group. Yeah, your Rubawa community. The Ogele group in Rubawa.
This is Jeremiah.
Meaning the Ogele, it's
Ogele.
Now, here is the Rubawa community. And we are proud of our culture. Look at how you are dressed. Please, can you come? This is Ogele boys derived from Igbo. We come from Igbo. That is why we dress when we are playing the dance. We dress like Igbos because the Ogele comes from Igbo.
The Ogele come from Igbo.
Yes, we derive from Igbo.
And what do you think about our affinity as Rubawa people? Don't you think we have some great affinity as Igbo?
Yes. Let me not go that way. Yes.
Do you feel
that will be offline?
Okay, tell me briefly, what makes you feel we have been Igbo?
There's a history that was told by Ikwerre people that Ikwerre and one of our brothers derived from Benin, came from Benin. That is why we are believing. But in some other aspect, some person is still saying that we part of Ikwerre that we are from Igbo. That is the conflict, the issue. But no one will tell the reality.
Okay. I think I want to get your point because you are not really conclusive. You are only trying to balance the equation. Okay. All right. Please, I want to know what's the name, sir?
Okay, my name is Honorable Chimenu Benjamin Ugochi.
Okay, that means you are actually same name with me.
Yes.
You are answering the same name because my name is also Chimenu.
Yes.
But only the surname is different, which is Amadi.
Yes.
But I believe you are still the same. We have some link in terms of a relationship here in the Rubawa community.
Yes. We are from same room level. We are one.
Okay.
We cannot kill ourselves.
Exactly.
That is our culture.
Abuse wana.
Abuse high.
Ewe.
And if you dare do that, you must die.
It's a person who say Ejoya.
It's a
Ejoya so for Kuzoy. Imele Meka.
Thank you very much.
Oh yeah.